What's up, guys? Me and Gabe over here. We're gonna go to the... What are we doing here?
The school again, get some wheelies, and then after we're gonna go to my school and see what's up with my friends. So
Gotta go to the school again. Hope this guy doesn't like dust me in the face again. You know? You know what happened here?
What?
You know what happened here?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, flashback. By the way. Yo! Shit.
Workers of the school.
Huh?
I think there might be workers of the school.
There's a guy in that car.
Hi, how's your day?
Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Trying to hit some wheelies today.
Cool bike.
Thank you. Did you see that? Bro, I was going crazy. I was so high. Yo.
Why are you not driving? Why are you...
Who are those guys? Yo, what are you doing, bro? Like, why are you going in front
of you?
Huh?
So far away from you.
Bro, like you're driving this way and you're going in front of me, bro. I was about... Bro, is it because I have the...
What's this?
Huh? Wait, are you doing it with the brake sensor or not? The front?
No.
No brake sensor?
No.
How?
I don't know, like this, look. Like this, look.
Shit, that's scary. Watch out, watch out. Bro, like why you keep going in front of me, bro? Move, move. Move, Sorry. Locked off. Looking at us, waiting for us to move, then going that way. It's always the black people, bro. Damn. Yeah! Yo! I almost tried to cheat. Oh my gosh. Imagine you just looped it right there. Yeah. David! Yo! Tell them what happened here. But I wasn't recording. Tell them what happened here. Doing really? Stop me, and then you almost crashed into this.
Oh yeah, I was wheeling, and then I tried doing a stoppie, and then I wheeled again, and then I absolutely crashed into here, my front wheel.
This guy's so retarded. I'm getting so much better at wheeling, like it's actually insane. Yo! Oh, your brake broke.
Ah, it's fine. Such good content.
Bro! What happened to your brake?
It's fine.
Oh my gosh, this guy's gonna get new brakes.
It's fine, bro.
We're matching. Okay.
I kind of, but like, this is on the other side.
Yeah, it's okay.
That was good content, right? I like that though.
How did you do that,
I don't know,
bro?
I just split. I'm jumping it. Huh? I'm gonna jump it. I'm gonna try. You can't jump it. You will need a bigger run up. But if you went this way, you just had it. Oh! Steve, boy, you did it! Wow, that was the biggest stop you've ever seen, bro. Let's go to your school, I guess. After.
Okay, bro.
I didn't get my phone. I need to see here.
Yeah.
Okay, so do we go back home?
Yeah, I'll stop recording.
Stop the video.
Alright, we just met this guy. He has a RC car. We're back at the school. We're gonna go to his school soon. We're going to stop here because we saw this guy's sick RC car. He goes, It beat the Talaria MX-5 in Eco. That was sick. It's fast, bro. Do you mind if I record? Excuse me?
Yeah.
Do you mind if I record? It's just for a YouTube channel.
Yeah, go ahead, buddy.
Okay, thank you.
I'm just a bit bigger and old. Gotta get one of those GoPros.
Yeah.
I have so much fun I want to show people, I never think of it.
Yeah.
Oh, you should have seen. Oh, yeah. I didn't see that.
See those videos where they put like a GoPro on their RC car and they get food at the store?
Those guys are YouTubers. They get all kinds of money if they break or lose one. I can't afford to buy $400 cameras.
Yeah.
The big YouTubers. They make lots of use the stuff off, right? I'm just out for fun.
How much was one of them? How much was one of them?
This brushless one, it comes with a 2S battery, but it runs on 3S. I think they're like $259.
Oh, it's actually cool.
The brushed version is like under $2, and then I went out and bought the brushless for like $60. I've been doing this for a while, so I like tinkering.
What's the most expensive one you went
Oh,
for?
the X-Max. They're like I don't know, $1,100, $1,200, $1,300 here.
Wow.
Oh.
That's
I bought it used though, and I rebuilt the whole thing from scratch.
that's sick.
Because I don't have $1,300. Well, I do, but you know what I mean. I can't really justify buying a toy for that. Okay,
Do you have kids? Kids?
Yeah. He's 18 now. He used to come out and do this with me, but he's 18, so he doesn't want to play stuff with his friends and everything, right? I get it.
I feel bad.
Street tires, drift tires. Street
That's
tires.
sick. You know how to drift like those? You know how to drift them? Calm down, David.
You have everything for it.
Well, if I get brakes or something, right, I don't want to have to go home.
Oh wow.
Yeah, that's the X-Max.
My dad has one. My dad has one like that.
Like, that's just the body.
Yeah.
I put that on so it doesn't break.
Is it the fastest one?
No, these little guys probably go fast. I could make that faster, but I don't really want to.
My dad has one of those ones, like that big.
X-Max?
I'm not sure, but he got a new body back in like 2020. We went to like this cool store.
Chris's house?
I'm not sure. It was
One of
in
Chris's house. It's downtown. It used to be up here in the mountain, but he moved downtown to a bigger spot.
it was in Mississauga,
Oh, big boys with cool toys.
maybe.
That's the only place really there. And they got everything.
Yeah.
They're like a big chain store, whereas Chris's house where I go, it's just like a mom and pop shop.
Just shelves, everything. It's
Well,
huge.
he's a lot bigger now, so he can hold more stuff. That's half the reason he moved. So he can display a lot of the cars, right? Because it's nice to see them. People want to see them.
Ooh, that was a good wheelie. I'm gonna go back. Show my wheelie. So?
That's kind of clean.
Yeah.
Really?
Bro, I was going this way. You need to see on the GoPro, bro. I was holding it for so long. I was high too.
I know over there, right?
Yeah, I was going this way.
Yeah.
Holy. Wow.
Yeah. Okay, let's go.
Let me go through.
Yo!
Put the general on.
Drifting. That's
You ready?
sick.
Hold on.
Okay.
On 4.
Yo! It's Talaria in hyper! I don't want to go too fast. I might run it over. I don't know. I want it to slow down. That is faster than the Talaria, bro.
And that's like 200
Just put a seat on that. Just put a seat on it. Open the Talaria. Almost. Watch the car. That's insane. Just put a seat on that. You have a Talaria MX-5, bro. That's probably faster than a Suron.
How much
Bro.
are they?
Like
Brand new.
Like
8K.
8,000.
Okay. His Ciron was like 5 or 6, I think.
He has a Suron?
Yeah, a buddy of mine. I don't know if he still has it.
Yeah. I was just talking
He
about
owned his
how.
own business, and so he's gallivanting around the world now. So I don't know if he got rid of it or not, but it was pretty neat. It didn't look as motocrossy as these ones.
Yeah.
Like it looked more road driven.
Yeah.
Like
Yeah.
it didn't have the knobby tires or nothing, which I
Yeah.
guess you could put on, right?
No.
No, it comes with it.
Okay, so they're more geared to off road,
Yeah.
I guess. His looked like it was more geared to like groom trails and pavement and stuff.
Yeah.
Either way, it was pretty neat.
Was it a Suron X? Or something
I
bigger?
think it was the base one, but somebody told him how to unlock it, so it did like 50 miles. an
Oh,
hour.
oh yeah. He cut
The
the
speed,
limit.
yeah.
I don't know what. All Chinese to me. This stuff I know a lot about. That stuff I know nothing.
It's just like a wire you cut so it goes faster.
Okay. Well, we're gonna head out.
Yeah, have fun, boy.
All right, you too.
If we come back and you're still here, we'll say hi.
Yeah, I'll maybe I'll have the big guy.
Alright, see ya.
Have fun.
You too. That guy was so cool, bro. Oh, that's sick. Bye. I've never been. Yo, there's like a wheelie spot. Yo, I went so high on that shit. Oh, is that a church? Is that a church? Oh, the building. Oh, it's a church. I just saw the. Yo, I'm such an idiot, bro. I'm trying to look at the church. Yo, that's content, bro. David, hey, retard. David, bro! You might actually be deaf.
Why?
I've been calling you for so long.
Why?
I was looking at the church they were building. I'm just looking at it, and then I run off. I almost fell. Oh my god. Oh, we're here at David's school, and there's a puddle. Oh, that shit went on my neck. Ah! Guy playing basketball? Who's that? Is that David's friend, bro? Oh no, that's a girl. Bro, I was so far. I did ask the nose guy.
Same.
Bro.
Cause she's good.
I thought, no, she. I thought, like, bro, she probably hears us.
Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. See you next time. It's probably gonna be next weekend because we can't see each other on the weekdays. Bye.